So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another problem statement in React JavaScript. So here you can see we have a problem statement which is we have to implement a lazy loading image component using React JavaScript and React hooks. So we have to create an image component that loads images lazily as they come into the viewport. And then we have to use the intersection observer API for efficient lazy loading. So those who don't know about the lazy loading, so we have the lazy loading is a technique where images are loaded only when they come into the user viewport, improving the overall user experience. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So let's get started. So first of all, we will create React arrow functional component and export, and then after that we will create one h1 and we will write lazy loading image. So first we will create lazy image component, and then we will pass some custom attributes. So first is the source we have, so we will pass this link in the source attribute, and then we have the alt attribute. Okay, and here we will pass lazy loaded image. Then after that we will pass one class name which will be lazy image. So let's define this component. We have this lazy image. Okay, and after this we will write const lazy image, and we have to destructure the props. So first we will destructure the source, then we have the alt, and after that we have the class name. So it will be arrow function of JavaScript. Okay, now we will return our JSX. So inside JSX we will return our image tag, and inside we will use our ref. From the use ref we will pass one ref attribute which is the image ref, which is yet to be defined. In the source we will pass one state which is visible, and with the ternary operator we will write if the source is visible then show the source, and if not then the blank string. You can show a demo image also, or you can show a text also. Then with the we have the alt, and after that we have the class name which is the class name from the prop. Okay, so let's define this states. So first we will need use ref, then we need use state for managing the state, and then at last we use the use effect. Okay, so here we will write const image ref is equals to use ref, and initially the value will be null. After that we will create another use state, name is visible. So we have to copy this image ref, and our spelling is wrong, and set is visible. Okay, so we have to change the name, set is visible, and initially it will be false, which is a boolean value. And after that we will quickly create one use effect, and we will write const observer, not in capital, in small, const observer. We will write new intersection observer. Okay, I will write one comment, intersection observer to track when the image is in the viewport. Okay, and same we will write for the use effect also, to set up the intersection observer when the component mounts. Okay, means the component when first loaded. And same for this one, the state we have. So this state image is visible in the viewport. Okay, and same for this one, ref to the image element. Okay, so this is basically some comments so that a user can understand. So now coming back to the point, we have this new intersection observer. Okay, and it will accept entries arrow function. I will write entries dot for each entry, and after that I will make one check if entry is intersecting, means the image is intersecting with the viewport. Okay, then we will update the final state, set is visible to true. Okay, and then after that we will write stop observing once the image is loaded. So for that we will write observer dot, we have this method unobserve, and inside we will pass the entry dot target. Okay, threshold to be 0.5. okay, and you can also adjust this threshold on the basis of your need. So I will write one comment, you can adjust this threshold on the basis of your needs. Okay, my spelling is wrong for the your. After that, after this bracket, I will write one comment and start observing the image element. So for that we will create one if statement, and inside if we will handle our use ref. So we will write if image ref dot current, then we will write observer dot unobserve, sorry not unobserve, observe image ref dot current. After that in the return cleanup function we will just write one if statement. We will write if image ref dot current, then we will remove this second argument and we will write observer dot unobserved image ref dot current. Okay, so basically this is a cleanup function of the use effect. So we'll write clean the observer when the component unmounts, or you can say when the component is destroyed, and then we will remove this third parameter from this argument. So we have one error, I think it is saying some bracket are missing. So let me check. So basically we have a basic implementation for the lazy loading images. Okay, so now if I navigate to my browser which is localhost/challenge37, so you will see we have this images. Okay, we have this image basically, and so when I refresh the web page, the image may still load quickly because it is being loaded lazily. That means it is loaded only when they are about to be displayed on the user screen, and this is we have achieved with the observer API, the intersection observer API we have, which monitors the position of elements in the relation of the viewport. Okay, so whenever you refresh the web page, the image won't be loaded immediately. Instead, they will load it as the user scroll down or they come into view. So this can be beneficial for the web pages with a lot of images we have. Currently we have only one images, as it helps to reduce the initial load time also and improve the overall user experience we have. So we have this logic for the lazy loading image component, and you can use this part of code. Try to play with this logic we have only one image we have currently. So try to add more images, and you can just navigate to this images.unsplash.com and you will get one image. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. And till then, thank you for watching.